This is the side I got the 6-pounder out of. There we go. That feels good. That feels decent. Wake up. It's time to go fishing. Alright, just gonna give a quick recap of what's been going on. I caught a 15 1/4 bass out of here just a second ago on a senko, but I was kind of jerking it around like a jerkbait, so I decided I'll just try a jerkbait. Do some jerk pauses. But yeah, we did so good, but we were at a lake. I'm trying to see if I can pull some decent ones out of here. This little lake pond I've gotten almost 6-pound bass out of. The weather's cool. It instantly started raining as soon as it hit September. Pretty weird. But we're just gonna do the jerkbait here for a bit, and I'll put a picture of that fish that I caught. Alright guys, first September bass for the September tournament. 15 1/4. It's nothing crazy, 15.25, but I will take it. Alright, well, I'll catch you as soon as I get a bite out here. Fishing in the rain. What a wonderful feeling. I'm gonna go back to the senko, but that's how it bit the senko. Looked more like a jerkbait bait. Fish on, fish on. There we go. That's a fat fish. I don't know, it could be 12. I'll put it in my live well just to have it, but a little fatty. Let's get it unhooked though. Dangerous jerkbait fish. Well, it wasn't going anywhere, that's for sure. I will need the pliers for that. Oh, sorry, little guy. How'd you even get it like this? And there's one. Get a photo to show my buddy who wasn't thinking the jerkbait was gonna work today. Okay, last hook. How did you hook yourself again? Oh my goodness. He was free. You were. Now what'd you do? Yeah. I think he's like 12 and a 12. He's not even 12. He's 11. I'll let him go. Not a keeper, but got him on the jerkbait in the rain. Cool thing about this Piscifun backpack. Oh, well, bad thing is I've torn the zipper, probably through my excursions through the woods. But it does have a built-in rain poncho on the bottom. I gotta fix my zipper. I can't even blame the company for that. It might be, but I've been in some places where I've gotten torn up and I could just feel sticks in my back. So I'm not easy on that thing. All right. This thing seems to be working. I'm gonna keep at it. There's 2 anglers across the way and another one there. Crazy, considering that the weather's cruddy. It is a holiday weekend though. There's no way that 15 is going to stay in though to the end, but it's better than having nothing. There we go. Oh, just a little guy came off, but the thing was tiny. So yeah, I think this is kind of a good sign. That's 2 on the jerkbait, 1 on the senko, twitching it. Like I was swimming it back up, trying to make it a little more active. Oh, looks like a wake of one just went by, but I didn't like it. Looked at it. I don't think I'm gonna get its attention, but something just jumped right there. Way out there. No reason to cast that far. Oh, that feels good. That feels decent. Oh no, little guy. And I kind of fell hooked him maybe, or he got out. Oh, little guy. Oh well. Get him unhooked. Get him back in. Poor little guy. Man. Okay. Come on, there we go. There we go. Poor little guy on the jerkbait. He's gonna be feeling that one for a little bit. That's the ticket, guys. The jerkbait's doing it. It's a little harder on the spinning rod, I think. I'm using a medium. Just reel in the slack, jerk, jerk. Reel in the slack, jerk, jerk. Sometimes you can pause it for a little bit longer. I'm gonna go try a deeper spot. It's 3 fish landed, 1 hooked up. Most on the jerkbait. Biggest one on the senko. Oh, look at that little bass right there. This bass is like, what am I doing? Who are you? Get here, little bass. Took me a second to realize I was there. You want that sinks a little bit more, dives a little deeper, suspends. And this pond's not very deep, but if you're like 8 inches in there, it might be like 8. I don't think it's 10 at all. I was trying to measure last time. I snuck a raft onto this one too. I'm just let it sink for a while because it's slow sinking. It says suspending. It's a Rapala. This is the side I got the 6-pounder out of. I don't know if anybody else has ever caught it. Oh, I'm sure somebody has. If anybody's ever reported it in like Fish Brain, I haven't heard about anybody catching a 5. Alright, well, next one snag one. I'll turn you guys back on. I don't think it's 12. Alright, let's see. Maybe it's like, oh, if you hold still, I can get you out. Nope. I'm not gonna risk it. Pliers. Pliers it is. Ow. Well, thank you. Alright, he's a little healthy guy. I'm gonna keep the pliers in my back pocket though. All the hooks ready? Yeah. Alright, nothing's happening. I'm just letting you guys know. We had, I think, 5 solid bites, landed 4. One of them was 15 1/4. I didn't bother measuring the other ones, they're all under 12. So we're way past our last cast right now. This thing kind of came out, so I don't think the jerkbait's doing what I want it to do right now. But we'll see, we'll do a couple casts right here by my truck, and then we'll get on. Alright, let's call it.